Hello everyone. In this video we are going to have a look at the partial fraction. Basically, partial fraction is the process of splitting an expression with two or more linear terms in the denominator. For example, the expression 14 divided by x minus 1 times 4x plus 3. In this expression we have two linear terms in the denominator, and we can split it in the form of a divided by x minus 1 plus b divided by 4x plus 3, where a and b are the constants. So this is how we achieve our partial fraction. It is an important topic because we use partial fraction in the calculus. Basically, calculus is the advanced form of algebra and geometry. So let's see how to solve the partial fraction with the algebraic equations by taking an example. So let's take this expression 6x plus 6 divided by x square minus 9, and we want to apply partial fraction on this expression. As we can see, the denominator is not the linear term, so we need to convert into the linear term first. So we can see we can write it x square minus 9 as x square minus 3 square. So it is giving us an expression of a square minus b square. So this can be written as x minus 3 and x plus 3. So we can write our expression 6x plus 6 divided by x minus 3 and x plus 3. Okay, so we want to apply the partial fraction. We need to write in the form of a and b. We have got a divided by x minus 3. We have got b divided by x plus 3. So in order to add these fractions, we are applying the same step, that like denominator should be the same. So I am going to cross multiply. So this factor will be multiplied by x plus 3. So we will get a times x plus 3, and it will be x minus 3 into x plus 3. And here we will get b times x minus 3, and it will be divided by x plus 3 into x minus 3. So we have got the equal denominator. So what we are going to do is that simple add the fraction by taking the denominator x minus 3 into x plus 3. We will have a simple add the numerators, a times x plus 3 and plus b times x minus 3, right? So what we're going to do is that now we need to equate. Okay, so we can say a times x plus 3 plus b times x minus 3 is our numerator, and if you recall, numerator is equal to the 6x plus 6. So we can write it as is equivalent to. Now we are going to apply the substitute methods. In the substitute method, we will first substitute x equivalent to the 3, and will substitute x equivalent to the minus 3 in order to get the values of a and b. So if I am applying x equivalent to the 3, when x equals to 3, this expression will be a times 3 plus 3 plus b times 3 minus 3 equivalent to 6 times 3 plus 6. So we will have 6a equals to 18 plus 6, 24. Yes, 24. So in this case we are getting a equals to 4. In the same way, we will find the value of b. We will put the value x equivalent to the minus 3, and let's see what we are getting. So the expression will become a times minus 3 plus 3 plus b times minus 3 minus 3 equivalent to the 6 times minus 3 plus 6. So this will give us a equivalent to the 0 and b is equivalent to minus 6b is equivalent to the minus 18 plus 6, that is equivalent to minus 12. So minus cancel, and 6 times 2 equals to 12. So we are getting b equals to 2. So we have got our a and b. Now we can write the expression, this expression in the form of a and b, that we have write it here. So we have got the value of a and b. Value of a equals to 4 and the b equals to 2. So we can write it as a 4 divided by x minus 3 plus b equivalent to 2. So it will be equivalent to 2 divided by x plus 3. So see how this complicated non-linear expression we have just simplified in form of a linear equation, and the result is called the partial fraction. So yes, that's all for today. In this video we have learned how to do partial fraction, and yeah, we are going to apply this expression into our calculus. So show your love and support to this channel by liking and sharing this video, and hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.